I'll have to be honest with you. First thing I'm going to mention right up front is it's free. I like this service when it's free because, you know, you can tie up a lot of money in different services, and from experience I found out that sometimes you can pay a lot of money and you may not be getting that much out of it.
Good afternoon, welcome to GrainTV. It's April 30th, 2014. I'm Logan Burgess. To my right here is Cody Bills to help break down a relatively quiet day for the grains in Chicago. Jumping into the quotes here, we see corn down just 2.5 cents, soybeans off 4.5 cents, and we had Chicago wheat, one grain that did pick up some ground, up 5 cents there. Early in the trade session today, Cody, big news from markets in general was the Federal Reserve announcement. What did we see there today from the Fed chairman?
Well, we saw Janet Yellen actually announce to the overall market here that they were going to reduce the monthly bond buying from $55 billion down to $45 billion. The bottom line here is that was very expected, so it really didn't catch the market by surprise.
Yeah.
For the most part, I mean, equities traded up, but it was kind of a ho-hum day, and today I really think it had very little effect on corn, soybeans, and wheat. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that when the Fed did release this, they had good, pretty positive news here, really about the growth in the first quarter,
yeah,
saying that we did see growth in the economy rebound from the slowdown throughout the winter. So that was very positive, but all in all, I'd say relatively neutral and on target here for the Fed's projections that we've previously seen.
Yeah, you know, one report we got out today as well was the EIA ethanol numbers, and as you can see here from the chart we've been following throughout the marketing year, we had a slight reduction in weekly production here last week, down 12,000 barrels per day. And one thing, though, to note in today's ethanol numbers is that we did see the largest stock figure that we've seen of ethanol since July 2013. And that's kind of interesting if we take a look here at the price of ethanol in Iowa. You can see that during the month of March and into April, we saw an exceptional rise in ethanol prices, and we've really seen that taper off following these large stocks as stocks have been replenished. So that's kind of something to keep an eye on here as we move into the summer driving season. Wouldn't be surprising we see this ethanol market stabilize a bit here. It's been a very wild ride, really starting in February into April, but it seems like stocks have been replenished, and we may see a more typical ethanol and ethanol crush environment here moving forward into the summer.
Absolutely, and really looking forward here. Thursday we have export sales. Friday we have Informa's crop forecast to be issued. But in terms of export sales, those will be issued or released earlier tomorrow morning. What's the market expecting? Anything in particular we're watching closely?
You know, I think the old crop corn and soybean numbers are going to be the most important to watch. A lot of traders are still expecting very strong old crop sales for corn tomorrow, upwards of 675,000 tons, which is a quite strong number for this point in the marketing year for corn. Soybeans remains a different story, though. Some traders are looking for up to 250,000 tons reported in cancellations. Obviously, any cancellations from China will be closely watched, and we'll be reporting on those export sales numbers on Twitter. You can find us over there at GrainTV if you'd like to follow us.
Thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. If you have any questions about what we talked about today, give us a call at 877-472-4607. And remember, you can take a demo of the mobile trading platform at the homepage of grainhedge.com. There's a little ticket in the top left-hand corner. Go ahead and fill that out if you want to have live quotes in your tractor or combine, or when you're out in the field later on this week. Guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. We'll see you here tomorrow.